Welcome to the Ponte Vedra Inn and Club. We have been a Northeast Florida landmark since 1928, when we opened in the seaside village of Ponte Vedra Beach. As Florida's newest resort playground, we gained national recognition quickly. Times may have changed, but the heritage and tradition of excellence and service to our guests are as strong as ever. The Ponte Vedra Inn and Club has a AAA 5-diamond rating, serving 4 generations of guests with sophisticated charm, award-winning hospitality, and world-class amenities. We want to make your visit as rich and memorable as possible. Great resorts are defined by exceptional dining experiences. Our restaurants cater to a variety of tastes, from classic cuisine to casual. Fresh fare, all in spectacular settings. Blessed with year-round sunshine and a pleasant climate, Ponte Vedra is a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Our wide stretches of sand and shimmering ocean along Ponte Vedra's beautiful coastline offers an endless variety of recreational pleasures. We rent umbrellas, beach chairs, bicycles, and ocean kayaks. The Inn and Club offers several heated oceanfront pools for you to enjoy. A cheerful family pool with a water slide, a wading pool for children, a lap pool, and an adults-only swim area. Our resort showcases 2 challenging 18-hole golf courses, each with unique seaside flavor. A driving range and lessons from on-staff golf pros are available. Ponte Vedra's nationally recognized tennis facility, the official tennis club of the ATP, features 15 Har-Tru hydro courts, 8 of which are lit for nighttime play. Our highly experienced on-staff tennis pros conduct programs and clinics for players of all levels. You'll enjoy a real workout at the resort's 8,000-square-foot oceanfront fitness center, with exercise equipment at more than 75 stations on 3 levels and on-staff personal trainers to guide you. Our recreation department keeps your children engaged with daily creative programs, including summer youth camps and an oceanfront playground. For a true treat and guaranteed relaxation, you will want to visit our 30,000-square-foot spa. It is North Florida's largest, and the soothing magic begins the moment you cross the threshold. The Ponte Vedra Inn and Club extends a special invitation to visit the resort's exceptional collection of fine shops and stylish boutiques, 7 in all, offering a unique and stylish shopping experience. Thank you for selecting the Ponte Vedra Inn and Club as your resort of choice. It is our goal to exceed your expectations while you visit. Please let us know how we can make your stay a positive and memorable experience. We do hope you enjoy.